If you want to customize the control center or the quick settings panel on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the control center. So on the right side of the screen, swipe from the top towards the bottom like so. And then you need to scroll all the way down in order to find the edit button. You want to tap on it. Now at the top you will see everything that is already added. So if you want to get rid of something, you can simply tap on that option. And there we go, now it is gone. Below you have some system toggles and app toggles, and you can just straight up add them to the list by tapping on them. So let's say I'm gonna add the reading mode. There we go, as you can see it is now added. Or I can press and hold my finger and then I can drag it up, I think so. Okay, perhaps not. So first we need to add the button to the control center and then we can drag and drop it anywhere else. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you are done with the arrangement, we can press this check in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.